Welcome back to my YouTube channel called PRSMP. And in this tutorial, we learn how to design an analog wall clock using an HTML and CSS. And this is the animation which I have done. Now, let us see the source code for the analog wall clock design. Okay, first of all, I will explain about the source codes. For the body, I have put an background radial gradient RGBR 600, 600, 7, 7, black. This is the background for my animation. Now we are ready with the background. Now we will start for an wall clock design. Let me style this clock div, that is I have created a div class equals to clock, and now we will style the clock. Okay, that is dot clock open bracket display inline block width 400 pixels, height 400 pixels, background URL clock.jpg. Okay, this I have used for an displaying of the clock image. Okay, I will comment this line and I will show what happens to that animation. See, the clock image was not displaying, so for that purpose I have used that line. Okay, and padding 20 pixels, position relative, left 450 pixels, top 100 pixels, border 50 pixels solid black, border radius 550%. Okay, this part is about the size of the clock. Now for the needles, I have created a div inside the body. See here, div class equals to second and minute and hour. I have created a div class. Now we will style that second, minute and hour needles. Now you can see here dot second open bracket z index 3 height 200 pixels width 10 pixels background radial gradient black comma red left 200 pixels animation. This line I will explain it later, and remaining two needles are same, but we should give the name as a minute and hour. Okay, in minute, z index 2 height 200 pixels width 15 pixels background radial gradient black comma blue left 197.5 pixels top minus 200 pixels. Okay, for an hour, z index 1 height 150 pixels width 20 pixels background radial gradient black comma green left 195 pixels top minus 36 minus 350 pixels. Okay, now we will see how the animation to move the second, minute and hour needle. For that purpose I have used at keyframe. See, at keyframe, this is the name of the name for the animation, that is at keyframe second animation open bracket from that where it should start, that is 0 degree to 360 degree, and it is common for remaining two needles, that is minute animation and hour animation. Okay, and this transform origin colon bottom, these three lines is common for all the three needles. So I have taken separately and pasted here. Okay, and see here animation colon second animation 60 seconds linear infinite. I have used this because for one complete rotation of the second it will take 60 seconds, so I have given as 60 seconds. For one complete rotation of the minute needles it takes 3600 seconds, so I have used an 3600 seconds, that is 60 into 60. And here hour, for one day it will take 8600 seconds, that is 3600 into 24. So I have used 86,400 seconds. Okay, and this whole design which I use for the clock design purpose. If you like my tutorial, guys, so please rate, comment, and subscribe my channels and leave your comments for better way. And thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you.